were not this way, and now I had to make the hardest choice I've ever made. To say goodbye to you for a long, long time. It seemed to be the right choice in my mind. Singing songs of a future, not our past. Say goodbye for now, not to last. I'm doing the time and I know you'll be alright, 'cause in 10 years our love will be free. I've got to go away and I know you'll be okay, 'cause in 10 years time you will be mine. Thinking back when we made each other's day,